Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Tamia. Today we are making an apple pie, and I'll leave the recipe and the link in the description. So first you gotta start by peeling all the apples. I used 7 apples for this. I think that was perfect. I did use deep pie shells, so I think that adds to it. Then you just wanna cut them so they form slices. I don't know how to explain it. And then we're gonna add our flour, 2 tablespoons of flour, sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar. You can check the recipe down below if you want to know the exact measurements. And then some cinnamon, mix that in. We're gonna add some lemon juice, and then just a little bit more, and then mix again. And then some turmeric crushed. And then we'll just add the apple filling into the pie crust. I buy 2 ready-made pie crusts because it's too difficult to make. Then we put on top, fit it so that it fits, close over the fork. I add a little smiley face at the top, because why not? He even has a beard. Anyways, we're gonna add some egg wash. So that's an egg and then some sugar. I'm not supposed to put the sugar in there, it was an accident. Just to put the sugar on top. So yeah. So I'll mix that and I'm just gonna put it all over the top. And it's gonna look at how golden and cool. Then let's pop that in the oven for about 50 minutes. And here we have the finished product. It looks great. So the egg wash added a nice little golden brownish. There's another one. I can't really see the smiley face, but it's cute. And thanks for watching. Bye.